Peanut butter pickle ramen stir fry? Of course I'm gonna try that. You need that chicken flavored ramen, but save that seasoning packet for later. I'm gonna be boiling that in 2 cups of water. Boil until cooked, and then I need to drain out some of that water. I need only about a tablespoon of water left. To that, I'll add 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, a tablespoon of pickle juice, teaspoon of soy sauce, teaspoon of honey, half of that seasoning packet. Stir that together. Add some chopped pickles. Let's plate it. It gets served with crushed Kettle chips and a little red pepper flakes. Peanut butter pickle ramen. I love the combination of peanut butter and pickle, and it works pretty good in ramen. It's a very quirky recipe, I think. I think it would definitely satisfy those pregnancy cravings. What would I give it out of 10? I think I'd give it a 7.6 out of 10. What's a funny mountain called? Hilarious.